Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. I'm finally consistent on my videos for once in my life on YouTube, so yay! We are going to be doing an unboxing today, and as you can see from the title above, it is going to be the FabFitFun winter box. So I have partnered up with FabFitFun, and they were generous enough to send me the winter box, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. For those who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. So they send out a box every season, which is 4 boxes in a year. They do go for $49.99. However, if you want to save $10 off of your first box, please use code TRVBEAUTY. The box value is over $200. They do allow you to customize some products within the box if you have specific products that you do want to try out, as well as they do support charities, which I think is super awesome with their boxes. So some of the proceeds of your box actually goes to different charities with every single box. And for the winter box, they are supporting, this is a heavy box. They are in support of the women's Alzheimer's movement. So not only are you getting some awesome new goodies that you get to try out, but you are helping support a good cause as well. All right, so now that we got all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and open this box and see what's inside. All right, so the first thing that is in the box, we have here a newsletter that comes with every single box. So this is the Winter 2019 edition. Basically, inside the newsletter, it has different information, prices, and the products that are going to be inside of the box, as well as different articles to read regarding products and even some more information about the charity that they will be supporting. So this is definitely some good information to read in here. So the first thing we have here is a piece of jewelry. We have a bracelet. It is by Adore Swarovski. Oh, so it is a bracelet by Adore, and it actually has crystals from Swarovski. I can't even say that. And it's rose gold plating. So this is super, super cute. Let me take it out of the packaging so you can see it better. Anything that's rose gold is definitely a yes for me. I think that is one of the prettiest colors ever. So here we go. This is what the bracelet looks like. And you see down here, where is it? Over here, it has the little Swarovski crystal. So I think that's super cute and fancy. And it looks like this brand is actually available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com. So this is super, super cute. I wish I could take it out and put it on myself, but I can't do this clasp thingy with my nails. Can I? Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do it. So you will see me having it on at another video because I can't get this baby on right now. Camera actually wasn't recording when I had actually talked about this and opened it up, but now I can't stop smelling it. So this is the next product that was in the box. It is the original coffee scrub by Frank Body. So it is a coffee body scrub. It smells amazing. Like the minute I had opened the packaging, I just got like a whack of coffee. I mean, if you don't like coffee, you probably won't like this smell, but I'm obsessed with coffee. And it smells so good. It smells like coffee beans. Like when you open a can of coffee and you just like smell it, this is what it smells like. And actually, not gonna lie, it looks exactly the same as well. I don't know if I can get this on camera without spilling it. There we go. It literally looks like coffee. And it smells so good. But it's a scrub. You get to put it on yourself and exfoliate yourself. It has Robusta coffee, almond oil, vitamin E, and sea salt. So this is going to be some really good ingredients for your skin. Okay, one more. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. The next product we have here is Original Pink Makeup Eraser. So it is a makeup removing wipe. I have actually never tried this before, but I've seen so many other people that have tried it and they've raved about it. This is a great alternative to having to buy wipes all the time and having to throw it away. You get to use this constantly and wash it and reuse it. And I've heard people say that this lasts for several years. It's so soft. I don't know why I smelled it, but it's so soft. So it does come in a bunch of different styles on their actual website. I know I've seen that before because I've seen some super cute, designs. But the one in FabFitFun is the original pink. and it's super soft and very, very, what's the word? It easily removes your makeup is what I've heard. So I definitely would love to try this out within the next few days and see if this is something that's maybe gonna make me want to like throw out my wipes and just buy more of these. The next product we have here is an Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash by Cusio Somatology. Calm and Clean. What is it? Oh, I should probably show you what it is first. So it is a hand and body wash. It gently cleanses without dehydrating the skin. It has vitamin B5 and shea butter to help keep your skin feeling moisturized post-shower. And it has lavender oil to help wash away stress and worry from the day, leaving the mind, body, and spirit completely calm, renewed, and restored. This sounds like a spa product. Like, I know it says hand wash, but it sounds like something that I want to use like on a spa day or relaxing night. So, and it has lavender oil. So this is definitely something that I want to use for a night where I am stressed out like crazy. Like, stressed out at trying to open this. It literally smells like a spa. I'm obsessed with the smell of lavender. This is definitely going with the other spa products that I have, because this is going to be needed for a night when I'm stressed out. Just that calming smell of lavender oil, I just love it. Alright, so the next product we have here is a Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. It protects up to 450 degrees. It has biotin, vitamin B, and C. And you use it on damp hair, brush through the hair before blow drying. This is definitely something that I'm going to be wanting to use, being that I straighten my hair all the time. I can only imagine the damage that I do from not putting protective stuff in my hair. So I will definitely be using this if I can open it. Oh, it smells nice. I love products, like hair products especially, that have a nice clean scent, if that makes any sense. And this smells like really nice. I love things that help my hair smell nice. So I will actually be using this tomorrow. Give you my thoughts then. The next product we have here is an Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask by Erno Laszlo. So it is a face mask. If we can open it. There we go. Ah. So it doesn't state if it needs to be for a specific skin type. It says, distressed skin calls for powerful measures. It's a hydrating, detoxifying mask, perfect to fight impurities and boost skin's natural defenses. It helps remove impurities without drying, infusing moisture and nutrients into the skin as it draws out the dirt and oils from pores. So it doesn't have a specific skin type, which is fine by me. My only concern if it's good for like sensitive skin, because I have very sensitive skin, so I can be super picky about things sometimes. And it doesn't smell like anything. It smells like clay. Not like this strong, stinky clay smell that some of these products smell like. But, I mean, I'm excited to try it, test it out. Doesn't have a strong smell. Doesn't say anything about not being good for sensitive skin. So, I think it's something that should be good for me. It says to leave on for 10 minutes to allow the mask to dry and then rinse off with water and lightly pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So, it shouldn't be bad for sensitive skin if you're able to use it more than once a week. The next product we have here, I love this brand. So we have a Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette by Beauty Bakery. This is like one of my favorite brands. They're so cute with their packaging and everything that they do. It's super, super cute. So this is what it looks like. And ta-da! Super cute colors. I think these colors are going to be able to work with everyone. It's a neutral color, so it's not anything crazy or drastic or anything. I think it's so cute that all of the shadow names are different types of puddings. I swear this brand always makes me hungry. So we got rice pudding, bread pudding, mango pudding. I've never heard about that before. I'm gonna Google what brand mango pudding is. Alright, so not only am I going to be creating a look with this in the future, but I'm going to be purchasing some mango pudding and almond jelly because I've never tried them before. But these are some super cute colors. Let me swatch them out. I swatched all of the colors, so here they are. Their pigment is pretty good. They were easy to swatch, no issues with the colors, and very little fallout. So this is going to be the perfect palette to use every single day for simple, natural glams. I mean, all of these colors are perfect for every day, so something that I am excited to add to my collection. So the last things we have in the box are the Perfect Hair shampoo and conditioner from RCO. So I do have a couple of RCO products already because I'm obsessed with them as far as hair care goes. But I don't have this shampoo and conditioner. So let's see what it says. It says the Television Perfect Hair Shampoo gives you everything you need for the small screen. Body shine, strengthening, softening, and smoothing. This is why we call it perfect. So it looks like it's a smoothing, strengthening shampoo and conditioner set. So I'm definitely excited to add this to my collection. I definitely want to keep my hair smooth and soft, being that I do straighten my hair all the time. So now that we went over all of the products that were in the box, let's go over and see the retail prices of all of the products so we see how much you get as far as your money's worth. So for my box specifically, the RCO Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner retail together for $64. The Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask retails for $48. The Adore, where did I put it? The Adore by Swarovski Organic Circle Bracelet in Rose Gold retails for $39. The Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding palette retails for $38. Next page. The Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub retails for $16.95. The Cusio Somatology Calm and Cleanse Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash retails for $39.95. Whoa, that's crazy. The Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler retails for $23. And then the Makeup Eraser in Original Pink retails for $20. So all of this is definitely your money's worth. I mean, this is literally half of the box, half of the price of the box. So that's crazy. I'm super excited with everything that's in the box. I have no complaints. I don't think there's anything in this box that I can't use in some sort of way. I am super excited for this one because it smells heavenly. I think this is definitely a box that I would look forward to getting every single season. The only brand that I think I've tried before is the RCO and the Beauty Bakery. So the fact that I get to try out new brands I think is super awesome. I loved everything. I loved everything in this box. So I am super, super excited. I do want to give a big thank you to FabFitFun for sending me over this box and partnering with me for this video. If you guys have any questions about these products or want to know my thoughts and feedback, I will be testing out these products within the next few months. So give me a shout out and ask me and I'll be sure to let you know my thoughts. I'm super excited to try all of them out. And if you guys want your own FabFitFun box and want to save $10, don't forget to use the code TRVBEAUTY. Also remember, with all of my YouTube videos, I always have a giveaway at the end. So make sure you go to the description box and see what the giveaway rules entails. And that's all I got for today. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.